Hi, and welcome to the Hauslane channel. My name is Marco. Today I am presenting one of our top-selling range hoods, the IN-R100. This 30-inch range hood delivers top-quality performance without sacrificing any style. The recessed design disappears into the background. So this will fit into any style of your kitchen, and it's going to look great. But before we get started, I'm going to open the box and showing you the power pack. So what the power pack does, it's a very unique style that'll make it easier to install. We're gonna go through different parts, and why don't we get started with that now? All right, well, why don't we open this box and see what's in here, huh? Why don't we take this out of the box, huh? Put this down here. Let's open this up. Let's take these off. Always be careful. Look at that, doesn't it look great? And there we go. Here it is, your range hood model. And remember to take out the parts and the instructions by opening the filter and just taking them out. And remember, before installing your range hood, you want to remove this protective wrap that was done with the shipping. So, after you remove this bag from the range hood, what you want to do is rip it open, take out the 6-inch round adapter, throw this out, open this other bag that has your 8 screws along with your owner's manual. Let's talk about the actual unit now. First off, it has a built-in recess install, which is ideal for any standard 30-inch cabinet. Secondly, we have this stainless steel plate, which works great in any kitchen and it's easy for maintenance. Thirdly, we have these really easy to use mechanical buttons. Right? Then it also comes with a baffle filter, which is dishwasher safe, so it cleans it very easily. Lastly, we have these energy efficient LED lights using a GU10 base. The unit also comes with a powerful blower system, which has high suction power. In addition, it comes with these 3 exhaust fan settings, which is good old-fashioned buttons that last forever. Also, another feature, if you want to convert to a ductless system, we have these patented charcoal filters, which are sold separately. So thank you again for watching this video on the IN-R100. We showed you the accessories, we unboxed it. Enjoy it.